We are thrilled that this vaccine is finally available for our youngest and most vulnerable populations in the younger age groups. And so far, parents should really be assured that these vaccines have undergone the same amount of extensive safety and monitoring and thorough review via the FDA and an independent advisory committee on immunization practices via the CDC, both of which have approved these vaccines for these kids unanimously. As an infectious disease specialist, I have to say I've seen a wide spectrum of what this virus can do to our children. And it's quite unpredictable. Even with the later subvariants of Omicron, we have seen children who have been previously healthy that have had terrible lung disease and other complications like new onset seizures, et cetera. And so with such an unpredictable virus, it's really important for parents to understand that providing your kids with this nice umbrella of vaccine protection is very, very important. The Pfizer vaccine now has been approved in kids 6 months and above at a 3-dose series. So what that means is a child gets a dose, they wait 21 days, they get the second dose, and then they wait 8 weeks to get the third dose to have a completed series. So with the Moderna vaccine, 2-dose series, just 28 days or 4 weeks apart. Fever was the most common side effect noted, but children can also have a bit of lymph node swelling underneath their armpit or underneath their neck and a rash. These side effects are very limited and are to be expected really when you give a child any vaccine. And in both studies, they were completely resolved by days 3 and 4 post-vaccination. So that was very encouraging. Every parent should have an open and honest discussion with their pediatrician about their concerns and their particular child. Your pediatrician knows your child the best, and as do you. So having that conversation early and having it now is really important. And I would encourage children to get vaccinated in this age group if they're now eligible. Even healthy kids that have had COVID before are still at risk for getting future variants and for having complications of this infection and even death.